Hi guys, today I make video for a language, how to change language Android player. So now you see your Android player interface like this. So you have to go there, applicacy is a Malaysian. This one have Malaysian language and English mix, so I want only English. So tap here and then you see here Teta Pan Krita. So tab here and then you see here have many option. So you go Teta Pan Android tab here and then Pirgi ke Teta Pan, and then here after that you see you come down and then you see system. So here system and see bhasha and input. So tab here and then you see here again tab bhasha. You see here, so first bhasha Malaysia and you tab here plus, you can see here second one tab and then you can see here, so top on English Malay. I don't want, I want only English. DE. So there you can see here this one English, no any country, this one only English, United States. Which one you want choose? I use United States and then you see Malaysia, and so you can see here after that you tap three dot और ये लिखा है एली का कुलवार. So which language you have to remove? So I Bhasha Malayan remove and then Batul, okay, Batul, okay. So Bhasha Malay is removed. Now you can see here English United States. So now you can see here all yeah here last time showing here Malaysian applicacy. So now all totally in English Android player. So if you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watch.